Who else is in there? Who's that in the corner? Did you hear that? She goes, it's Doc McStuffins. It's cool. Do you guys want to open another one? Yeah, no, they said yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's open one. I know, this is going to take all day. These are from Noni. Here. Oh, wait. Whose name is on that? No, read it. What does it say? It says Isabel, actually. But we thought you knew. It's okay. It's you can open it. No. What is it? Oh, let's see. Where's the shirt?
In there. In the thing.
Ooh, Charlotte. Do you like Hey, can you say thank you to Noni? Do you like them, Miss? They fit you? Yes. What'd you say? They are brand new. You like that Doc McStuffins, don't you? Yeah.
Open Doc McStuffins, please.
You have more presents. Go.
There's still more presents. Ooh.
How about this one? Doc McStuffins.
How about you open some more presents?
How about you want to open the ones from Grandma and Grandpa? Okay, this one is for Charlotte. You know what we haven't opened is their stockings.
No.
That's for Charlotte. And then Isabel, this one's for you. Look, here is. Come here, Is. Turn around, Is. That's for you. We'll put your present up here. Is.
Open it.
I will open it after.
Rip it.
You gotta open presents first.
Rip it. Okay. Open really fast.
Rip, Grizz, rip.
Rip it quick. Harder.
Excuse me.
I got down. Okay. I can do a puzzle. It's a puzzle.
What do you think, Charlie? It is.
Grizz, open. You got tape on your finger? You'll be okay.
It's, what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Grizz, just open. Rip, 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 Grizz.
We will.
Isabel,
Wait,
just rip.
do you want to help Isabel? She got tape on her finger. She's not happy. Hold on. Here it is. How did it get wrapped right around? It is. Open your present.
Open your present, Isabel.
There. Okay, go. What? Let's see.
Go, Grizz, go.
I put that stereo.
Yeah, Isabel got Ariel.
I got Ariel.
It's almost as good as those kids who got Nintendo 64.
Yes, what do you say?
Thank you.
It's a Nintendo 64.
What do you think, Yes?
I think
You're thinking.
open it.
Yep, we will.
More presents.
More presents.
Go, go, go.
Good job.
More. Ripping.
Wait, let's pick. Ooh, these ones. Hold on. This one.
The glamour. It's a glamour.
Here. These are from Auntie Chooch. There's one for Isabel. You start, because you take a while. Yours is here. Hold on. Did you hear? Where's mine?
No, is rip it. Rip. Open it up.
I know. Sorry. Wait, here. Here's for Charlotte. Oh, rip it. There, pull, Charlotte. Pull hard. Rip it. Rip. Here, let me start it for you. There. Here's mine. Charlotte just watches Isabel. Here, now rip. Did you hear? She knew exactly what it was.
She said a mini suitcase.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness. She's so smart.
They travel too much.
I'm like, if they know one thing, it's the suitcase.
Look, this. There, look. Wow. Here, come over here. There. Take you over there. Bye, Iz. Where you going? Where you going, Iz? Your suitcase. What do you say to Auntie Chooch?
Thank you.
That's a Christmas tree, yep. Oh, there, Charlotte's ready to go. Here, I'll put it over here. Here. There you go.
Open it.
Well, sister, too. Yeah, they are big. Yes.
Your own suitcase all to yourself. A mini suitcase. And it goes with your jacket. You're the cutest kid ever.
She's like, what's in there? There's nothing in there. Nothing in there yet. Nah.
More presents.
More Okay. Here's. This is for Isabel. Here. This is for Isabel. That is for you. This is for Charlotte.
What are they opening?
The ones from these are from Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, good.
What is it, Charlotte? Do you know what it is? It's a mermaid costume.
Oh my goodness. And the other one's a fairy one. Fairy
Yeah,
one.
like Tinkerbell.
Mommy, I don't wear it.
Okay, we'll wear it later, okay? Okay. Look at Charlotte's got a mermaid. Yeah, Charlotte can be mermaid. I think they're overwhelmed.
Isabel can be a fairy.
Mommy's scary.
Okay, do you want us to open your dollies up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can tell they're overwhelmed. They're like all of a sudden. Yeah.
Off. Go lay down.
All right. Just you can stop that.